Hey there, Planner Squad. It's time for another plan with Vivi. We are going to be planning the month of January in my Erin Condren Lifeplanner. We are using a kit by Printable Co. We're also going to be including some date squares from Scribble Prints Co. and the glitter holographic, and using the January sheet in the Erin Condren monthly seasonal planner sticker kit. I think it's like the edition 5. But anyway, I'm excited to be planning in this new planner. It gives me all the feels. I really love this kit. It's all snowy and white and has little references to New York City, which I've never been and I really need to go. I keep telling myself that one of these days I really need to go there and just experience it all. But yeah, I really liked this kit, so I wanted to use it. It's a really exciting month for me. My brother turns 40 this week, so I'm excited about that. And I just went ahead and used my Tombow mono correction tape to white out those lines, because I figured with this sticker being so white and pale, it was going to show through, and I really didn't want it to. So I laid that down. I did use my Sakura Jelly Roll pen in Stardust Clear, and I did that and like glitterified the the pages before, or the sticker sheets before I put them on there, just because I wanted to do it first instead of waiting till the last minute. And then this year I decided I'm going to use the foil date squares from Scribble Prints Co. to cover the monthly numbers. And so I'm going to do that here. I just really loved using the foil date squares for my Plan With Me videos, just to put like the days of the weeks on top of the day covers. And I decided that, I was going to go ahead and I'm going to do it, because I still had a lot of them left, because you get like 4 sets on each sheet. And I did place my foil replenishing order. And I also got the month. So it's like January, February, all the months in holographic. So they're really big and they'll cover up where it says January. I didn't get them in time to film, but I didn't want this video to go out late, so I just went ahead and put it after I got the order in. But it looks really pretty, and it's all holographic. I got all of them in holographic because I think out of all the foil colors that are out there, or I guess the more popular ones of being gold, silver, rose gold, or holographic, I love holo the most. And so I decided I wanted to go ahead and utilize the stickers that came with the planner. I always forget to use those 4 pages of stickers that come in the back of the Erin Condren Lifeplanner. So this year I cut them out. I just took my scissors and cut them out, and I'm going to make sure that I'm going to be using them in my planner. So I thought a good way to use the, I guess the little quarter boxes, if that's what they are, is just to mark down birthdays. And I'll just do that until I run out, pretty much. And so I'm just going down and putting the little banners and marking down the birthdays that I want to remember. And on the 11th is my brother's birthday, so I totally want to deck that little square out. And here I am. I always hate pulling up stickers, but sometimes you gotta do it. So I went ahead and just put a banner, a cake, and a Let's Party sticker for my brother's birthday. He turns 40, and sadly I'm not gonna be able to see him before his birthday because he takes off on the 9th to go on the road for, at least it's not too long, it's just for a couple of days. I thought it was going to be longer, but it's only for a couple of days. So, and then there you see me totally decking out. January 16th, it is my friend Jessica's birthday, so I wanted to also fully like shout that one out as well. And I really love that the back, these stickers that come in the back of the Erin Condren planner are foil. They used to not be, and now they are, and so I definitely love foil. Like, it's become my new thing. Like, I love foil. It's so pretty. But definitely want to use those stickers since they come in with the kit. Might as well use them, right? So, and then I am going back and putting just the labels that come with the kit to mark down paydays. And I think they have little scripts as well. And I pulled one off and I just realized that it was just really going to blend in, so I went for the darker ones. And I just don't have a lot going on in January. A lot of birthdays going on, but just not a lot. So I went ahead and pulled the deco from the sheet from January and just started decorating my planner with the little stickers because it was so pretty. And it's blue foil, and my favorite color is blue, and I just thought this was really cute. And also my brother's favorite color is baby blue, so I just thought, you know, it was kind of cool that it was all blue. And then I put down the party hat and this firework on Chinese New Year, which is really pretty. It's gonna turn out really pretty. I also got the foil for the holidays, and so after I got that in, I went back and I covered up where it says Happy New Year, and I put the foil down for it. And the same thing with Lunar New Year, I went and changed that. I just used whiteout, put it over it, and then I did write down, put the sticker down for Lunar New Year, and the same for MLK Day. So I did go back and do that, and I'm using my Pilot Juice Up pen in 0.04 to write down everybody's name. I did put the major bills that were due in my monthly planner, but it's not typically where I put my financial or my budget planning. I usually put that in my small personal planner, but some, like the major things, I put down in my monthly planner just so I can remember as well. But that's pretty much it. I did use my Fudonoscope pen to write a couple of people's birthdays on it, but it just didn't like the way the pen just didn't write very well on the Erin Condren stickers, but I just did it for 2 of them. And I think that's it. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye.